I'm jumping back in here real quick, folks. I wanted to show off this little storage box. I have 4 of these. I found them at a Goodwill store. And I don't know what was stored in these boxes before I bought them for $4 each. But they just make a really nice little display case for pocket knives. I just think that looks pretty dang good. Now I have to double up on a couple of these for now because I only have the one box out here. But even doubling up, there's still enough room in there. Just thought I'd share that with you. Till I see you again. Have a beautiful day.